We begin with breaking news out of the Philippines where a magnitude 7.1 earthquake has hit the north of the country.
Sa lalawigan ng Cebu, trahedya rin ang nilikha ng malakas na lindol. Bukod sa mga namatay, binasak din ang lindol.
Ayaw kalimot sa giingon ni Tita. Drop, cover, and hold.
Earthquakes can happen anytime and without warning. They are caused by movements beneath the Earth's surface that make the ground shake. We cannot stop the earthquakes from happening. We can prepare ourselves to reduce injuries and save lives. Today we will guide you on what to do before, during, and after an earthquake. Identify and plan your evacuation route. Prepare your emergency and first aid kit. If you feel the ground shaking, stay calm. Drop to the ground to prevent falling. Cover your hand and neck under a sturdy table or desk. Hold on until the shaking stops. Do not run immediately. Expect aftershocks. Be ready to drop, cover, and hold again. Move to an open area away from buildings, trees, and electric posts. Avoid entering damaged buildings. Conduct a head count. Check yourself and others for injuries. Provide first aid if needed. The ground may shake without warning. Walls may tremble. Fear may rise. But courage is a choice. Preparation is a decision. And in the moment when everything feels uncertain, what you know will protect you.
When the ground shakes, we stand ready.